reset meaning here almost say to set again or anew. So we be before. Where me su Merriam-Webster dictionary. And I'm saying call Google. Google say reset means to set again or differently. So we be before. And a reset. Akwakwa in name near course wa blekuma.
Yeah.
Yet to a baby yet to pink sheet nim kwashima school complex. Suku am kura komuni ade ne yakose dan no because of elections and ade. Akwa be any views about the issue say me believe say me blame easy on some of these issues.
Yeah.
And I say be a rare one of 19 polling stations and record so. Akwa this is a blot on Mohammed's presidency. Because you promised us a reset to do things what anew
differently,
to do things differently. Akokwa enu ade e course wa blekuma no
yeah
ebi any ade
yeah
aya waso wesu ego metena ha ahya setana board na ma metena ha condemn
yeah
obi ani me views about the police. In fact me wan for police wa dey na me here present o mo frame me na bi threaten me di matem. Akokwa enu ane e course wa blekuma no is a blot on the presidency of President John Dramani Mahama. Na sebe MDC mpanifo ni bi no sebe omne Mahama si kwan so a emwa NDC going forward. Obi to say Dr. Anabi so yan kan no krenchrom Greater Accra Regional Minister. The disappointment of appointment to President Mahama. Yan kan no krenchrom. Say Greater Accra Regional Minister journalist abusa say ye vote by nas na vote by NPP fon so nkoto bi. A regional minister
who knows. And I learned cry say law so law.
A regional minister ekasa say
knowing the law.
What the words of Anabisiu. Amon koso sa. Say NPP start here. Ahantan.
Yeah.
Kasatan tan. Kasa show. Kasa fun.
And won't see a incumbency disadvantage away can who be no my bema when
na the real because na President Mahama nan kasa kra no kasa sa. John Mahama nan kasa na ye to abama as president of the republic sa no kasa.
Omo de be ha no.
No aponi ni tumi mo kasa tan kasa fun. And on my start that will be my start on this. And I see the reason why I did the emotions I kasa the way they say. You promised us a reset. Ghanaians gave you a resounding victory. However, as we speak, this MPs or even in the constitutional entrenched position, because they have 2/3 of parliament. Any entrenched position or constitution number something that is how resounding the victory of the NDC was. And today be I go my personal channel on YouTube. My analysis no be o share bia e say it's an NDC seat. Ben this it's an MPP seat. Ben this union because MPP for na confusion be on go dey call abanim no na nye meba so. Akwa starting say maami ya wini. Police officer we. Oya Delta Divisional Police Commander Lumo. Right. Ono starting some phone course was a constituency no. Na journalist won bo abrantie na film.
Reporter.
Akwa bo na so movie don am caught Troy. Police officer Lumo must be called to order and possibly interdicted. This nonsense breeds unnecessary tension. I got one interview nonsense. I can't nonsense. It is what? Nonsense. I dare enter sum. The police officer here and Yansebi. And the unnecessary tension ba. And I'm a car say you interdict no. I got one man no and see me Troya. And a police the statement by some interdicted officer. I applaud the Ghana Police Service for this. At least a journalist try and say adwuma na ye no so police ni ya traswa aban ni will be ka and it's a feather in the cap of the IGP and by extension the John Mahama administration. How come you am say who second video we how kwa ade obun obetima catch am say attack akua free ne how akum say it wasn't premeditated. How kwa ka bibi say premeditation na eye so obi asusu bibi ato wo so obey akokwa menwa medi wo dem. And I'm after that to tell my bow fee, my bedroom light, me about them, a premeditation. I go quiet. How can police officers have applauded them for interdicting the officer?
Yeah.
How can police officers do which I come watching one? I'm a macho man for the very thing they see what Blekuma. I'm for 7 months, so many MP. No, the same thing happened, and they go to our Kumsin, go to a queer free year, go to Nakua Nima and attack them. And people have the boldness to rationalize this nonsense just because of NDC ni. If you be touching man south, you were angry. na ya cassette ya say nya say ekoto oba na nipa wu 2 election nipa 8 and ewu the last 2 elections na ya attack ma to this na and the kwesi the nonsense some people are rationalizing say ada na how akum si use pepper spray akokwa me marketing carry ban so ankonya den e pepper spray ni ngwo motuom.
No, but pepper spray there. Only individual bit media are for self. I mean protection. Baby, I will. Not specifically for elections.
You see, akokwa.
And yet true.
Akokwa. Na make a crane say. Mema kentin kase ye charge on he. And it ka akumsi no nya den.
And you see Eugene, bra wo mo ba no. Na ogina ho. Na onye movie crowd.
Exactly.
And she never did anything until
they charge at her.
Charge it on her. No, yes, we will.
And you see, I always say, I did nonsense. No? Let's call it nonsense. You may call me names, you may insult me, I don't care. But my principles are there. But go to my Facebook, go to Nhyira FM page, and you see my views on Awaso West Wogon. You see my views on Techima and South. You see my views on all the Savlugu by election and violence. No. Why are we supporting this nonsense? So how come say be being the pastor? There's a police service in place. Let's answer for a crime.
Yeah.
Because again, you promise us what? You promise us what?
A reset.
And the reset definition says that something new.
Not the same
something
as
different.
Yesterday.
I didn't think I deal with. And ma, I imagine how I come from the team. So that you may be weird.
Yeah.
You see, let's stop these things. And now who defend you? Power MPP we need 2060. There no man can kroma. NDC a good. President Kufuado campaign at Tonsuum. Campaign at Tonsuum. NDC came back almost 1.7 million. Almost 1.7 million. It's a na ubetra waka. NDC MPP baba 2036. NDC baba say, me say, Felix Kwachu Fusuni Bernadable interview city. Munko hebi. Ebetu bufo. Obetra Facebook akeka ni opebi ya MPP agu. And you know the certain they will visit it on Balek Basentali. They will visit on Sameje. Be now open media you just say to some make kabi man. Mean to mean kabi man because you supported this nonsense. You supported this nonsense. How can police brutalities? They be a man for how can the police service manning a place allow people to do this? Only they're interested. Lumo video ni buy and within few minutes your interact officer no you won't conform a name that ho and pay a member my check police
arrest
single arrest over supporting and because we MPP ni we NDC ni over supporting and can who say we did get the bottom NDC in Trawa football MPP beba and the same thing I was supporting I am a tragically I'm sure President say I have lived long enough to see how position fiercely defended today by political actors are often harshly criticized just 8 years later. Okay, no, I make example amount.
Yeah.
That's in Kodia Frimpong. So what's the interview for my or saying, ye easy Germans and Crave MPP, Omuni Takamun defending. Then answer. Musa dan answer because ye be corner near Blikumano. A brana NDC kase electoral officer be or no for or transfer ni pay illegally. Yes, no correct. A brana kasa sa 4 years. O man na representation ye defend no meboa. E bra Blikuma. Bosman said the quarter parliament say 3 na akem. Later make 19 no. So one say kan say den. Also mutimi defend EC. 7 months out of power.
Yeah.
7 months. But all the 8 years, they were defending the EC. And to defend it, do the insult. I don't care. But what I can promise you is that what they be a wucho, they get our footprint 8 years. The principle we all stand by today is to come back to us.
Yeah.
It will come back to us. And I've always told people that me, so I can say I will be threat. I want to subscribe and family home. I don't do journalism to please your egos or your feelings. Yeah. I do journalism to speak my views unfiltered and fearlessly. Nobody should rationalize political violence. Nobody. It is senseless. Yes, sir. You're working your state institutions, you know. Imagine a baby, a twat to no be a woo. Why should you go and vote to no be a woo? So be being self-moving the police, arrest the person. Yeah. Let's employ the police to arrest people. But police officer Jinaho. I want to vote turnout. Police say she be 44%, 48%. Esa, who party that person in Pakotwaba?
So it wouldn't be free.
So let's defend it.
People will not be able to.
My senior colleague formerly joined me. So true, BB. And I'll end it. There's a say. With results from the 2024 elections and its current goodwill, the NDC has a rare golden opportunity to win over an entire generation of fresh, neutral voters for the future. Hopefully, they do not reign that trying to avenge the past. See NDC, the way moving in 2024, no opportunity say, Crophobia among Pamanosem, a young time among the new voters, mobile renew to the NDC. Na munye careful se mu kose ya na mu kode ya se be bia ni obi ya na pass na no na mo be ya de ya mu nkoso na munye.
And there's no
Let's continue. But what I can promise you today, NDC will never remain in power forever. It will never happen. The fourth Republican dispensation has proven it.
Yeah.
It will never happen. MPP beba omu be yebi e wona betie e janto ankase o media e quiet who say na MPP sorry a CS say quiet media be bra e kasa na ase ye den. Professional Jeremias. Jeremiah na friend the wailing prophet. Prophet okikem. And na the yanka bi mamo. See them catch us say o political stance no different day. Support the nonsense. Just support it. Posterity will judge all of us and our views.
Sure.
Posterity will judge us. My second presentation is about Branty.